The word we'll be learning in this section is ekitai, which you will often hear in scientific discussions, cooking, and daily life when talking about different forms of matter. The word ekitai means liquid. It refers to a substance that flows freely and takes the shape of its container, like water or oil. In everyday usage, it's a way to describe anything in liquid form, as opposed to solid or gas. The first kanji means a liquid or fluid, the idea of something flowing or being in a liquid state. You can see it in ekisho, where it points to the liquid nature inside crystals, and in taiyeki, where it marks fluids found in the body. The second kanji means the body or the physical form, a concrete object or group. It appears in taion to talk about the temperature of the body, and in taieku to describe activities related to the physical body and exercise. The power of the liquid is strong. 液体の力は強いです。液体の力は強いです。I take medicine in liquid form. 薬を液体で飲みます。薬を液体で飲みます。Looking at the liquid. 液体を見る。液体を見る。He drinks the liquid. 彼は液体を飲みます。彼は液体を飲みます。The most common synonyms of the word 液体 are eki and ryutai. Eki is more commonly used to refer to liquids in the context of volumes or amounts, while ryutai can include both liquids and gases, highlighting their ability to flow. The most common antonyms of the word ekitai are kotai and kitai. Kotai refers to solids, which have a fixed shape, solidifying the contrast with ekitai. Kitai refers to gases, distinguished by their ability to expand and fill containers more than liquids.